Good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. Today is a little different. We do a new show on Instagram called 5 Minutes with 5 Star, and the plan is to record all of those because they disappear and they go away, and it's some good information. We're going to combine them all together into all 6 episodes and release it here on YouTube for you guys to watch and enjoy in case you missed them. We're putting them up on Monday right now because, you know, it's summer and Sunday nights are tough to edit and get a movie out on Monday ready for you guys. They're not going to take the place of a Monday show, but for right now, during the summer and until we integrate this thing and see how it works and work out all the kinks, we're going to go ahead and put them right here on Monday for now. Don't worry, install diaries on Monday and reviews and all that will be back. They're not going away. It's just, this is just a spot filler for a little while until, well, the summer's over and vacations are out of the way and traveling and all that other garbage. So we hope you enjoy them. We did 3 this week, and we'll see you guys tonight, 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, Facebook Live. And we're live! That's right, live. Do you have your stopwatch? Remember, it's 5 minutes with 5 Star. You need a stopwatch because we don't want to go 6 minutes.
No, but like you gotta wait for the people to connect. There's nobody there. So.
Yeah, he's right there. They're all right there. The internet, man. There's always somebody on the internet. Right, guys? There's always somebody on the internet. So welcome to the first of 5 Minutes with 5 Star. Yep. That's right. It's 5 minutes. We're going to show you stuff, answer questions. It's a new thing. Hopefully we're going to do it every day. We'll see how it goes. We got an Acura behind us.
Yeah.
And we're doing a cool stereo in it. Let me show you what we got going on. So he's getting my favorite my favorite 5-channel combination. We're getting an LC 1.800 and a D 4.800. And we're getting just started on the cool amplifier wiring. These are risers. So basically what we're doing is we take some 1/2 inch. This is made out of 1/2 inch. We round them over and we make risers, because what's going to happen is we needed this wire to cross underneath here and go into there. We got this signal that's going to come join these and come this way. And so making sure we have pass-through is cool, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
That's so easy. You know?
What would my amp cut out? Why would my amp cut off, then play again? There's a couple things that cause amplifiers to do bad things. Well, actually, there's like 3. One is overheating, one is improper voltage, and another is improper resistance. One of those 3 things are what causes your amplifier to shut off.
Mm-hmm. So the best thing you can do is check your power first, check your grounds.
You're looking fly as usual, by the way. Yes.
Oh, really?
So make sure you have a digital multimeter, and then pretty much it'll help you figure one of those things out. Yeah? Awesome.
Thumbs up. Yep.
So let's keep going. And naturally, Fernando got his door all baked potatoed up here. What is this guy getting?
The Milli Pros.
Yeah, so we got a Milli Pro right here. We got all our cool roadkill all over it. We got the fast rings. Now, the cool thing about this particular Acura, which one is this?
This is the TL.
The Acura TL. So we got an Acura TL with a full-on navigation system. All right, hold on. My boy had a bad ground and killed the amp. That totally. Oh, well, I mean, answer that question. All right, so bad ground killed the amp. There you go. That is a bad ground, and it definitely killed the amplifier. So thank you, Scar, for allowing us to keep the amplifier. That was not anything we installed, but ooh, the blades are in.
That's what I need.
We need a blade to cut it open. So yeah, that killed the amplifier. It totally sucked. Anyway, so I was saying, the cool thing about this TL, do we have lights in this? No, we totally took the lights out. That's funny. Is in the kick panel of this car. Is it difficult to replace a wireless charger in a... I don't know. I've never actually done it. Let's see. What do we got here? Dean, I'd like to get something for your birthday, girl. What would be a good... She's a nerd, so pretty much anything. Lamborghini, Kiss, SpongeBob. She's just a nerd. And, of course, you know, gas cards. Kid loves gas cards because she drives everywhere. So... this car in the corner here, this is the factory amplifier. This is something we tell you guys to constantly look for, is finding this factory amplifier, see if it has it, and then testing to see if it's variable voltage or not. So on this plug here, there's all the speaker wires that we need, And it is a common speaker wire between the mid-range and the tweeter. This guy up here is one wire. So we're going to run our tweeter wire into this. We're gonna tap our mid bass here because on that side it's almost impossible to get to the wire, and you can't go through this boot without spending a day and a half taking the door off, it seems like. Let's see what we got here. All right, back to this. So this black plug here, this is a full variable voltage. This radio, this one right here, has a center channel, a subwoofer output, and 4 speaker outputs that are all variable voltage, all controlled through the head unit. But they're all flat outputs. The other nice thing too about going before the amplifier is the ANC is after the amplifier. ANC, the automatic noise canceling. The microphone here, and then the microphone up here in the back of the ceiling. Hold on, let me get in the car here. Ooh, flip. That guy right there. If you've got those, you've got noise canceling in a Honda or an Acura, you got to bypass that module. However, in this case, because we're replacing everything and we're going at that amplifier, we don't have to worry about it because it's after the amplifier, not before the amplifier, which is pretty cool. Or it's built into the amplifier. Either way, we don't have it. Now it's AC voltage coming into that amplifier, so if you got a digital multimeter, play some pink noise, tap in, turn your digital multimeter to AC, plug into like pairs, turn the volume up and down, that AC will fluctuate. That's awesome. If you have an RTA that measures electrical current, you can do that also. All right, that's what we got here. I have the audio control LC6 1200. I'm trying to use the high inputs instead of RCAs, but how do I adjust the level for the high input? Thanks. So the LC, that's done with the, so it has the mixer channel for one. Why would you not use the RCAs? I mean, if you have RCAs, use your RCAs. But I mean, it's 3 to 20 volts on the high level side and half volt to 6 volts on the high level side. But everything is adjusted through the gain. There is no adjustment for input sensitivity. The only adjustment for input sensitivity is on the mixer channel, this guy right here. This extra channel that it has, this is this one. There's a gain control for it on the amplifier that adjusts that. This is done in software. On that, it's in there. How was the B-Day? Hey, Fernando.
Yes.
How was the B-Day? How was the birthday?
Oh, I don't know. What birthday?
Mine.
Your birthday?
Yeah, how was it? Did we have a good time?
Oh, yeah.
We did?
We have fruit.
Oh yeah,
Jimmy John's.
Yeah, Haley definitely took care of us on that one. She
Mm-hmm.
brought us sandwiches, she brought us food. The car we had to work on, utter nightmare. You guys are gonna find out about that one.
Oh yeah, you're done.
Soon enough, because we had to do some beta products on it. That was really cool. So
All right,
that
guys.
was probably the coolest thing about it. Are we done? We're at 5.
You're like 6. All right.
Oh dang! All right, so that was 5 minutes with 5 star. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya. Start the timer.
Timer is on.
Timer's on. That's 5 minutes with 5 star. Heck yeah. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this wonderful Friday. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Good?
Somebody's there?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
People
People like Instagram. That's why we're doing this.
Okay.
So what's going on? How's everybody hanging? I hope you're all getting ready for a wonderful weekend. We're finishing up this TL that we showed you guys yesterday. Let's take a look in the trunk, because that's where all the magic happens, right? Ooh, so you guys saw that amp rack started yesterday. You'll see more pictures of this
On Instagram?
on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Take us to the front, Fernando. Show us what we want to see. What's up? No, pop the front. The front of the car, bro. Where's the front?
I'm coming.
You're coming? All right. So we ran a 0 gauge in this. What's going on? Coming to Clearwater in October. Can't wait to see. Yes, we should be here. There you go. There's your Fernando fancy fuse holder mounted with a big 0 gauge fuse holder. Thing's bolted into place.
So this one comes like this. Lock it. Boom, boom.
There you go. Magical. It's all attached to this one little bolt right here. It's bent several times, routed to shape. Ooh, yeah,
Like
baby.
this.
Good job. I know, I like the bolts. That's nice. Good job. Good job. We're just getting ready to tune this thing. We're actually charging the laptop up because we're using the Windows guy. It's sitting right there charging. We just went ahead and did the quick little, set things up. Hey, from Phoenix, Arizona. What's going on? Enjoying the heat. It's not so bad. Well, okay, it's humid as heck right now because it did rain. How big of a fuse do you need to install for an Alpine PDX V9?
4?
No, it's just the PDX V9. Typically, I think we run the 120.
100.
Yeah, we usually go.
150?
No, it's a 120. We just do 120. 120 would be fine. Yeah, you'd be good with that.
Okay.
Because most kits come with 120, and that's we've never had an issue. Remember, the fuse underneath the hood is just to protect the wire. It just needs to be bigger than the amplifier, and that's it. Feels like temperature in Key West is 102.
Ooh.
I do not doubt that for a minute. Would 150 work? Yes, 150 will work fine. Because like I said, it's there to protect the wire, not the amplifier. The amplifier has all kinds of protection built into it to stop bad things from happening to it. Dude, I just done watching the Elevate video, what you just uploaded, and I see this here. Let me tell you what, that Elevate video, all right, we had to get it done this week, and I was up till like 3:30 last night, and I woke up like this, and I had the worst stiff neck because I fell asleep while I was editing it. Sue woke me up at 7:15 this morning. I finished editing it. We brought it here. I went over it again because it's kind of like, I don't drink, but I equate it to like when you do something when you're drunk. You don't necessarily know what you did. So we ran it through the editing process one more time.
Yeah.
And added a little bit of soundtrack to it just to fill in the little and there it is. So hope you guys enjoy the Elevate. It was fun. I can't wait to put it in something. I think that one might go to Butch. I think we got to put that in Butch's car.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah. But it's Friday, people.
It's Friday.
Friday.
It's Friday. So
What else we got going on? Oh, tomorrow's going to be the live show. Give you a bunch of Q&A. We hope you guys are enjoying these. How many minutes we got left?
We got 1 minute left.
We got 1 minute left. Ask us some questions. It's okay. The thing is awesome. Yes, it is. I think that's Tony. Hopefully we won't. I think I talked too fast.
Yeah, but
I love y'all's videos on YouTube. Very informative. Has helped me every single build. Perfect.
wait.
Oh, before I go, I know what I'm going to say. Monday, 6:30 Eastern Standard Time on the Facebook. Lori will be here. We're going to be talking about the giveaway we're going to be doing for this summer. Check it out. It's going to be fun. Does the PDX have a bass? Does the PDX V9 bass channel have good outputs? 500 watts? Yes. 2 10s, 1 big 12, 2 small 12s. Yes. Does it have wireless CarPlay? No, the Elevate does not have wireless CarPlay. It is wired CarPlay. Shop comparison.
What's going on?
Please, guys, is there any update on getting all the factory settings to when changing out 2000? Yeah, so, yes.
Time's up.
Time's up. We got to go on that. All I can say is relocate the radio into the glove box. Ask us tomorrow on the Facebook. We can talk about it more there. I'm sorry, on the YouTube. 6 o'clock, YouTube, 5-Star Car Stereo. Be there. Ask that question. We'll talk about it more then. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, guys. It's 5 minutes with 5-Star. Fun and excitement, I know. Checking in on your Saturday. If you want more than 5 minutes, make sure you tune in tonight on YouTube.
I want more than 5 minutes.
And there he is over there, Fernando, with the peanut conversation. Anyways, I was saying, if you want more than 5 minutes, make sure you tune in tonight at 6 o'clock over on YouTube, where we get to do fun Q&A. And tonight, we're going to talk about this guy over here. Hang on, let me spin. Say hi. You can say hi. Hi. Okay. Where's it at? The Dayton. That's right. This guy right here is the conversation going on tonight, and it's empty because where's it at? I have it. Where did the Dayton go? Oh, there it is. So here we go. So here's the Dayton, all prepped and ready to talk about tonight. So big thumbs up there.
You guys do the TI.
But we were getting ready to do this Dodge Ram, this guy right here, and I was like, hey, grab the shallow L7 and let's compare it to its round brethren, as it were. So here we go. We have the Comp RT, our personal round favorite as it stands. We still haven't heard these yet. We're going to hear those next week, probably Tuesday, and we'll play those guys for you then. But for those of you that are curious, we got them side by side. So these are going to be a little bit taller, and the surround is obviously sticking up just a little bit more. So you will have to have a little bit more room if you're going to mount those underneath the seat than you would with these guys here. So if that's something you're thinking about doing, there you go. That's the comparison. And of course, this is that much deeper. But these don't have a vented pole piece or vents on the bottom. And these do have vents on the bottom. Let's see what you got going on here, Fernando.
Just making holes.
Making holes, huh?
Making holes.
What are we putting in today?
We're gonna put the kicker. This one
1200.
1200. Okay, 1200. Under the seat. RCA,
Under the back seat.
Under the back seat, yes. Factory bolts. RCA is coming from the back. Power on the side. That's it.
Looks so pretty.
I know, right?
And I'm, of course, getting over here, getting ready to put the subwoofers in, getting ready to solder up my speaker cups. We got our wiring all set and ready to go with the loom all loomed up. We'll tape up the RCAs and the remote together once we get them all zip tied in place. You think Kicker is going to make a high max subwoofer in the future? Hey Fernando, do you think Kicker's going to make a high max woofer in the future? Maybe something that's really big and monstrous? No, you don't think so? I wish I could comment on that, but I can't. Let's just leave it at that. Nice box. What is it going in? So this is the Dodge Ram. So we have this Dodge Ram right here. That's an A-Trend 212 box that's going to fit underneath the seat here. The location for the amplifier is going to be this area in the back, right there in that dark cavernous area, because they have the AC vents here now, these guys, and there's usually stuff underneath the seats in some of these, so plus this is a little bit longer amplifier, it's a little bit easier just to mount it there. Let's see what we got going on. What we really need is another trip to Kicker and talk to them. Is it a CEA? Is it a upcoming? We shall find out. Okay. CES. CES is what you meant. Yeah, CES is coming. We will find out then. Yes, we will. Hello from Utah.
Utah.
Oh, hey, what's up, Bobby? Going to Star Wars Land. You fall into the you suck category. But no, that's cool, man. I'm going to be there in 2 years. And then, of course, we'll have the one here at not Universal. I'm going to Universal this summer. We'll have the one at Universal here shortly. Are you excited about Star Wars Land, Christian?
Yes, I am.
Yeah? Have you been keeping an eye on it?
Sure, of course.
Yeah? I finally got to ride Slinky Dog last week.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
How did you like it?
I liked it a lot.
That's an excellent roller coaster.
It is.
That's my daughter's favorite roller coaster. She loves it.
Yeah, I think it's probably our new favorite too, because
Cool.
it's fun enough to where you're like, I'm not a total wuss for riding it, but I might as well be a wuss for riding that.
Oh, come on.
Thank you for the elevate. I'm about to install a Hyphonics Brutus 1200. What amp with 4-gauge wiring? What fuse is safe? I don't know how much power that has. Most of the time, it's a 4-gauge. I wouldn't go anything bigger than 150. I'd pretty much tap it out there.
Well, they make the 1800, I think.
Well, no, he was asking about running a 4-gauge wire. So, I mean, with that, I wouldn't go any higher than a 150.
Make sure it's 100% copper.
Yeah, 100% copper kit for sure. We got more here. How we doing on time?
You got done.
We're done with time?
Yeah.
Overseas market is coming to U.S. finally, like Ground Zero, Ultra. Yeah, I'm excited anytime people can do stuff here in the U.S. That's for sure. I like to let our innovation run crazy. It's the purpose of a shell mount sub when you have vented pole piece. It only needs this much room. I mean, and most of the time you have that much room. All right. Fernando's yelling at me, telling me time's up. This has been 5 Minutes with 5 Star. We'll see you guys tonight on the YouTube show. Bye.